Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Mathematics for Kids. In this video, we are going to talk about quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon that has 4 sides or edges, and it also has 4 corners or vertices beside to the 4 angles that are present at the 4 vertices or the corners of the quadrilateral. This word quadrilateral is derived from the Latin words quadri, which means 4, and latus, which means side. So 4 sides. Consider here a quadrilateral ABCD. This quadrilateral and any quadrilateral has 4 vertices. Here the 4 vertices are vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. Also, it has 4 angles that are present at the 4 vertices or corners of the quadrilateral. The 4 angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, and the last angle D. And the sum of angles in the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. And finally, this quadrilateral has 4 sides or 4 edges. They are side AB, side BC, side CD, and the last side DA. Now, if we join the opposite vertices of the quadrilateral, we get the diagonal. Here we have vertex A is opposite to vertex C, and vertex D is opposite to vertex B. So, if we join these vertices, the opposite vertices, we get the diagonals. And here the diagonals are 2. The first one is the segment that join the 2 opposite vertices, A and C. So the first diagonal is AC. And the second diagonal is the segment that join the 2 opposite vertices, B and D. So the second diagonal is BD. As a result, AC and BD are the diagonals of this quadrilateral ABCD. Consequently, the properties of quadrilateral has 4 vertices, it also has 4 sides and 4 angles, and the sum of angles in the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. The quadrilateral also has 2 diagonals. Let's take some examples. Here we have some shapes and we need to check if they are quadrilateral or not. Let's start by the shape A. Is shape A quadrilateral? Yes, it is a quadrilateral, since it has 4 vertices, 4 sides, and 4 angles, and also we can join the opposite vertices to get the 2 diagonals. Shape B. Is shape B a quadrilateral? For sure not. It's not a quadrilateral because shape B doesn't have 4 vertices. It has more than 4 vertices. And also it doesn't have 4 sides. It has more than 4 sides and more than 4 angles. So shape B is not a quadrilateral. Shape C. Is shape C a quadrilateral? For sure it is a quadrilateral. Shape C has 4 vertices, 4 sides, and 4 angles, and we can join the opposite vertices to get the 2 diagonals. Now, what are the types of the quadrilateral? A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. A regular quadrilateral must have 4 equal sides, 4 equal angles, and its diagonals must bisect each other. What does the diagonal lines of the quadrilateral must bisect each other? They must bisect each other at the midpoint of each other. This means that each line will be cut in the half by the other line. And the square is the only quadrilateral that satisfies all these conditions. So square is the only regular quadrilateral. Now, an irregular quadrilateral is a quadrilateral with 4 sides that are not regular or the same, like parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, trapezoid. And we are going to talk about all of these quadrilaterals in the coming videos. Now, the square is the regular quadrilateral, and the parallelogram, rectangle, and trapezoid are irregular quadrilaterals. But keep in mind that square, rhombus, and rectangle are parallelograms. We are going to talk about this in the coming videos. Let's continue. Also, quadrilaterals can be concave or convex. Concave quadrilaterals. In concave quadrilaterals, one interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. And here we have an example. This quadrilateral is concave quadrilateral. Now, what about the convex quadrilaterals? In convex quadrilaterals, each interior angle is less than 180 degrees. And here is a convex quadrilateral. Now, after defining the quadrilateral and talking about the properties of the quadrilateral and the types of the quadrilateral, let's talk about the perimeter of the quadrilateral. The perimeter of a quadrilateral is the length of its boundary. This means that the perimeter of the quadrilateral is equal to the sum of all the sides. Here, consider a quadrilateral ABCD, and the perimeter of this quadrilateral is the sum of its sides. And the sides here are AB, BC, CD, and DA. So the perimeter of this quadrilateral is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now, as a summary, first we talk about quadrilateral that has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. Then we mention the properties of the quadrilateral, that quadrilateral has 4 vertices, 4 sides, 2 diagonals, and the sum of the interior angles equal to 360 degrees. Then we talked about the types of the quadrilateral, the regular quadrilateral and the irregular quadrilateral, beside to the convex quadrilateral and the concave quadrilateral, and finally we mentioned the perimeter of the quadrilateral, which is equal to the sum of all its sides. Now, after talking about the quadrilateral, let's do some applications. In the first application, we have a quadrilateral ABCD and we have to find the missing angle of this quadrilateral. Here we have angle A is equal to 68 degrees, angle B is equal to 115 degrees, and angle C is equal to 59 degrees. In order to find the missing angle, we have to use a very important property, which is that the sum of angles, or the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral, is equal to 360 degrees. So, since the sum of the interior angle of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees, then we can write that X, which is angle D, plus 68 degrees, which is angle A, plus 115 degrees, which is angle B, plus 59 degrees, which is angle C, is equal to 360 degrees, since the sum of angles in the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Here we have the equation. We have to solve it. X plus the sum of 68, 115, and 59 is equal to 142. Is equal to 360 degrees, and X is equal to 360 degrees minus 242 degrees, which is equal to 118 degrees. So angle D is equal to 118 degrees. In the second application, we have a quadrilateral of sides 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 11 centimeters, and we have to find the perimeter of this quadrilateral. In order to find this perimeter, we have to know the rule that the perimeter is the sum of all its sides. Since the sides of this quadrilateral is given 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 9 centimeters, and 11 centimeters, so we can find the perimeter of this quadrilateral, which is equal the sum of 5, 7, 9, and 11. Therefore, the perimeter of the quadrilateral is equal to 5 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 9 centimeters plus 11 centimeters, which is equal to 33 centimeters. And this chapter is done. So, if you like this video and if you enjoy watching it, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.